hkjetwashing, baby.
Morning everyone, off to Willenhall today. Small driveway to clean and treatment to apply. So just gonna go to Willenhall, get some fuel and then just head there. Right, so I'll show you the before and then we'll crack on. Have a nice day. We've arrived to the job. We are here, Willenhall. So there's a few weeds, small drive. You can see, take a walk with me around the edge. Just a bit here to blast as well. Not big at all, it's not in bad nick really. A few weeds and that's it. We're going to come back when I dry day and sand it. I think I might have to come back next week and sand it really. Because, you know, the weather's not been too shabby, has it? Sorted then, let's get to work.
Found myself, but I fall into your lies. Oh, yeah.
Right everyone, just rushing back, got changed quickly, quick shower, rushing back to Willenhall. Big rush today because of the rain. There's no other time I'm going to get so busy to actually be able to sand this job. So the drive's looking absolutely amazing, but I'm just going to rush back there now and sand it. So I'm not going to actually have time to record me sanding the block paving today. So just thought I'd let you all know. Anyway, see you all soon. Look out for the results. We are done. Look at the results. Cleaned and re-sanded in a day. Look, it was warm enough and we've had no rain. I prayed that we'd have no rain and I'd be able to do it, and I have done it. Look at that. Got rid of them black spots. The majority of those black spots are gone. There were a few that the treatment didn't get rid of, but the majority of those are gone. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Fresh, ready. Another happy customer. We are done. See you later.